Hello everyone, welcome to Java Sessions. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to write your first Java program and how to compile that program using a bash file. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to need to create two files. How you create them is right click, go to new, and then text document. What you name them is totally up to you, but I'll name the bash file compiler. And the Java code file, I'll name it first program. Yeah, I think first program is appropriate, so let me name it first program. And then the next step is changing the extensions. For the bash file is going to be .bat, and for the Java file is going to be .java. We name .bat. And the Java file. By the way, any Java program you will be creating in future will have a .java extension, so do get used to that. Okay, now let's write our Java code. The Java code won't be that complex. It's just a simple standard output code, so I'll just be having 3 lines of code. This is just to get you guys used to the Java class and the static main method, which will be in every Java program that you'll be creating in the future. Okay, so let me just write the code. First, let's create the class public class. The class name should be the same name as your file name. Remember that, please remember that your class name is the same name as the file name. If you write anything else, you don't compile. So that means our class name here is first program. First program. Okay, and now let's create the static void method. Remember, this method will be in all the Java programs you're going to create, so do take note of that. I'll tap public static void main string away. By the way, these 2 brackets means an away. If I just left that like that, I was just going to declare a string variable, but since I put this 2 bracket, it means I'm declaring a string away variable. I'll be talking about arrays in upcoming videos. For today, let's just focus on the print line. The standard output stream, we have 3 standard output streams that I know of, is printf and print, but for today we're just going to use print line. So printf and print, I'm going to discuss them in upcoming videos. So yes, they are all standard output streams, but for today let's use print line, since we are just printing out a basic text in the terminal or command prompt. It's up to you whether you call it command prompt or terminal. They are all correct. Okay, here under the quotation marks, we're going to need to write a text that we want to print out. Okay, I made a mistake here. It's print line. Okay. Here it's actually up to you, whatever it is that you want to print out, whether it's hello world or whatever your name is, up to you, whatever it is that you want to print out here. So it's just a simple text. I will be printing out welcome to Java Sessions. Also, do not forget the semicolon. Like, the semicolon is very important. Do not forget the semicolon. Okay, let's move on. What did I miss? Okay, I didn't miss anything. Like I said, it was just going to be 3 lines of code, a simple output code. And okay, let's save and exit. Then the next step is to write the script that will compile that program. We're going to write that script within the Java, within the bash file, I mean. So at first, you're going to need to get the path. In order to do that, you just say set path. You're going to need the path for the JDK. Remember, I showed you how to download the JDK in the previous video. If you do not know, please do go to my previous video. You will find it there. It's how to install JDK. So to get the path, just go to local disk, program files, Java, JDK, bin, and you just copy the whole location of this file in bin. Remember, I did explain to you the Java-C and the importance of the Java-C, which is the Java compiler. We will need to write it in the Java, in the bash file, I mean. So yeah, let's just paste that path, semicolon. The next step is to write the Java-C line, which will be the line that will compile our program. So it will be Java-C, and our program's name is first program, but I'll just show you that. First program, it will be Java-C, first program. This should compile our program. And then the next step is to write the line that will run the program. This the second line just compile the program. It didn't run it. In order to run the program, you're going to need to write Java file first, that file first program. Okay, and now we are done with our bash file. Let's save. Now let's try to compile our program. In order to compile, just click this bash file. And it should compile. Oh wait, you know what? I made a mistake. I'm going to need, I forgot one line in the bash file that's going to keep the command prompt there instead of closing immediately. It's done. Edit. You're going to need a pause line. After writing the program, you're going to need to write pause. This will keep the command prompt on the screen after running the program. So let's save. And now this should work perfectly fine. Okay, see that? Welcome to Java session. Like I said, whatever you write here is what's going to be outputted. Welcome to Java sessions. Let's see, maybe the popular output is hello world. If you need to do that, you just have to edit this part here, save, and now let me exit this and run the bash file again. Hello world. Okay, in the next videos I'll be showing you how to download Eclipse, because in the following Java tutorials I'll be using Eclipse to write codes to get deeper into Java algorithms. But for today, I just wanted to show you that you don't necessarily need an IDE in order to compile a program. You can easily do that with a bash file. Okay, thank you. Hit a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.